Welcome to another one of our pronunciation exercises. In this exercise, you'll have the chance to say the word that appears on the screen before listening to the correct pronunciation. The best way to learn a language and improve your pronunciation is to practice as much as possible. So repeat this exercise if you feel you need to. If you're already fluent with all the words in this exercise, feel free to move on to another one with different words and phrases. Good luck, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
了解，了解，了解。钱，钱，钱。风水，风水，风水。秋，秋，秋。全部，全部，全部。
Great job!
西班牙，西班牙，西班牙。多谢，多谢，多谢。面包，面包，面包。美，美，美。面，面，面。教授，教授，教授。
Great job!
参加，参加，参加。方，方，方。一般，一般，一般。不分，不分，不分。出，出，出。他，他，他。
Well done!
下，下，下。周，周，周。粽子，粽子，粽子。房间， 房间，房间。草，草，草。翻译，翻译，翻译。
Well done.
裙子，裙子，裙子。又，又，又。4月，4月，4月。文，文，文。英文，英文，英文。作者，作者，作者。
Great job.
熟悉，熟悉，熟悉。外婆，外婆，外婆。出口，出口，出口。森林，森林，森林。冰淇淋，冰淇淋，冰淇淋。黄，黄，黄。